Well, it's the day after another big snowstorm here at Helmar's farm. Definitely not as big as the Valentine's Day blizzard. Probably only 6 to 8 inches of snow out of this storm. That's what we got around here. Some other parts of the state did go over a foot of snow. Much heavier snow this time. And cows and heifers are out enjoying the sunshine. It's warming up into the 30s and the snow is coming off the roofs. This particular heifer is having a good time rubbing her chin on the barbed wire fence, and now for some reason she's looking at the fence post. The snow is starting to come off the evergreen trees. The wind's starting to pick up. Big pine tree just off the barnyard. Here on the horse barn, snow is already coming off the roof. By late morning, the roof will probably be bare.